Hello everybody, this is part 2 of the recap for John. His Amiga 1200. As you can see, the recap's now finished. It's taken me about 45 minutes. I'm between making cups of tea and messing about. It's sat on top of a Sam Coupe at the moment because my lead to the TV is quite short, the RGB. Yeah, I haven't plugged anything in the IDE yet. I've just popped on there my A3000 floppy drive. I'm going to power it up. It's clicking, and we should see it do things in a moment once it's kickstart 3.1, so it'll take a 30 seconds to start. I've also removed the RF modulator, which I've said before, I'm sure. I've heard the floppy click a couple of times, so that must be a good sign. Oh, there we go. I don't know why things look blue on my TV, but they always do through RGB. This is the Reflex demo. It's a disc I found. I didn't find it, I've just picked it up. I'll just turn the sound down. It's obviously pleased to be working. So that seems okay. I'll plug my hard drive into it, make sure it boots to Workbench, and test all the other functions. But the sound's good, sounds nice, which is quite important on the old Amigas. If the sound starts to go, you have all kinds of issues. These caps here and here, these two, they leak. Also these leak by the video encoder. Where is the op amp? Oh, there it is, there's the op amp. They leak and it buggers up the op amp, and the sound gets really quiet and the filters bugger up. You get hissing noise, or it plays on one channel, and it's a real pain in the neck trying to find out which tracks are gone. But that's not the case on this machine. I don't know why the RGB is always blue. Let me do something. What can I do? RGB tint sharpness. I rather suspect it's my lead, but I can't be bothered to alter it in a minute. I'll plug it through composite just to make sure it's okay. I'll probably video it later for you, showing it booted from IDE and doing a few other tasks. I might rig up a CD to it as well, possibly. We'll see. Anyway, that'll do for now. So that's John's, that's your Amiga, mate. I'll send you a link so you can see your machine living and breathing. Cheers, buddy. See you later.